Welcome to the world's most dangerous coding lab. Today's experiment is called Maybe This Code Works. Maybe everybody explodes. The try robot bravely presses run. The accept robot waits with a fire extinguisher. The finally robot already prepared the cleanup bill. The robot tries dividing by 0. Python looks at the math, looks back at the robot, and says, "Absolutely not." Boom. The calculator has left the chat. Luckily, the accept robot trained for this moment. He slides into the room like an action movie hero. Nobody panic. I handle emotional damage and coding damage. The program survives another day. Not all errors are the same. Some errors break math. Some errors forget names. And some errors mix strings and numbers like cursed soup. So Python asks, which disaster are we dealing with today? This time nothing exploded. The robots are shocked. The else robot finally gets invited to the party. Confetti cannons activate. Python whispers, "Impossible, competent code." The finally robot does not care what happened. Explosion. Cleanup. Success. Cleanup. Alien invasion? Still cleanup. He is the most responsible robot in Python. The robot checks the battery level. Negative battery? How are you even still alive? The robot slams the raise button. Python immediately sounds the emergency alarm. This code is too dangerous to continue. The mission begins normally, but then the robot discovers an illegal battery. The raise alarm screams across mission control. Except catches the disaster before the whole station explodes. The else robot sadly goes back home and finally shuts everything down like a professional.